You ready to go see some animals today, buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah? What do you got in your hands? Jelly beans. Water.
Binoculars.
Binoculars? All right.
Yes.
Perfect. Yeah, they're all fun. Hey guys, here's day 2. Ridge decided to come along with us. Are you excited, buddy? Yeah. We're hoping we can see some more critters, find some sheds. We got the kid pack just in case Ridge gets tired, but he brought his own backpack. We got his snacks, his water, tripods, all kinds of stuff. Think we'll find anything? Hopefully.
3 toys.
What?
3 toys.
Oh, and he brought 3 toys. We got little pig. What else? A donkey.
A big pig and a donkey.
And a big pig. So we got toys, we got snacks, and we got some beautiful country. And we're gonna see if we can find some critters today. So still closed. They're gonna reassess April 6th. But at this point, we're just scouting, exploring, and playing. What's that? Shot ground squirrel by it? That's what you're looking for? Okay. For who? Okay. Hey guys, so we're getting a little tired. Been hiking for a little ways, zigzagging back and forth on this hillside. So now we're just gonna sit, drink some water, eat a little bit of snacks, glass a little bit, rest, and then we'll get lunch when we get to the top of the ridge, buddy.
Well, we have to find a picnic table to eat.
Oh, we have to find a picnic table first. That might be kind of hard.
Yeah. If we dig, then we might find something hard. That might be a picnic table.
Oh, that's a good idea. What about using a rock?
To break it? Well, we will have to find a very big one to break this.
Oh, all right. Well, you heard it. We'll see if we can find a picnic table. Otherwise, I guess we're not eating lunch today. You want it?
No.
12th man, see? 12th man.
That super cool area we found last night, hiked up to the top of the ridge, and we came across this. It's just phenomenal. And it's crazy because it's not too far from the road, but it's in an area that looks like it's super thick, so no one would ever check it out. So super excited to find this new area, super excited to check it out more. And you know, we've seen mule deer, whitetail, and bear in this area, and there's been elk not too far away, so it's probably an area we're going to be spending a lot of hunting season in. Hey guys, so we just found that huge open draw there back behind us, and we looked at it for a while. Ridgeman got tired, so we threw him in the pack, threw on my puffy over my sweatshirt. 2 minutes in, already regretting the decision, but it'll be good. I feel like we might have a little bit of a snooze cruise happening pretty quickly, but we just split up. We're hiking back down the other side of the ridge that we came up before we found this huge draw. We're gonna hit the car, drive around for a little bit for this guy, explore some new areas, and maybe this afternoon get out a little bit more. Undecided, but beautiful day, amazing creation all around us. So we're loving this hiking out and getting outdoors. It's been fun getting Ridgeman out for his first real big solo-ish hunt with me, and pretty excited to see what the season has to offer for all of this. But this is day 2. We've still seen quite a bit of critters, but not as much as last night. But the weather's been kind of swirly and crazy and whatnot, so we'll see what kind of the rest of the day holds. But yeah, been awesome exploring new areas, and definitely recommend get out of your truck or car or SUV or whatever you have and put some boots on the ground, because you will find awesome areas. We've found just a whole nother new big old draw. If I wanted to be here, I could be here in 15 minutes when I shut my car door, surrounded by roads, and I doubt many people are actually in here. We haven't seen any other sign, even the road we came in on, just no sign of any other vehicles. So check it out, get out of your car, walk, and you'll find new areas just like this. Whole nother little super tucked in draw, super steep, but a lot of game trails going down into it. So hopefully find a shed. We haven't found any yet, but we'll see what happens.